You like big old back ends? Well, boy, I got the car for you. Check this puppy out. I've sold a lot of Corvettes in my life. I have never seen a C5 with these big fender flares. This is a custom carbon fiber paint match flares right here. You got 2 tanks of nitrous. You got yellow carbon fiber all the way around the car. This is by far one of the coolest built C5s I think we've had here at Stingray Alley. Look at the rims. You got big old 20-inch rims in the back with 19s in the front. Huge tires. Makes it like a Grand Sport or 01 or something like that. This thing is, I mean, I don't know if the video does it justice, but look how flared out this is. And all that for under $20,000, guys. Now we're gonna take a look at the inside because there's some really cool stuff inside there. All right, so inside here, you got yellow Corvette all over the place. Interior is excellent. You got a pop-up backup camera, upgraded radio system in here, huge speakers. Look behind the seats. You got all this kind of stereo equipment. I don't even know how to use it. You got subwoofers in the trunk. You got a roll bar in here. You got the glass roof. You got heads-up display. And all over, you got a radar detector, because when you're driving this car, you don't want to get caught. And let me show you a secret. Look right here. Nitrous is fully hooked up, and it is a 6-speed. This is one car that you cannot find anywhere else. And on top of all that, you got a clean history report. The car's technically a 1-owner car. It says 2, but really 1 owner. I'll tell you a story later if you're calling any more interested about it. But look, you got flames to match the nitrous exhaust on it. Engine's not knocking. You got high HD headlights that work, which is rare on a C5. Look at this. This is just a one-off car. So make sure to come on down to Stingray Alley. And hey, I hope you don't buy this car so I can enjoy it longer. Y'all take care.